7:39 a.m. on the bike path going towards the plaza in Ajijc, Centro. Okay, I'm moving around the puddles and making room for others. And it's really cool. People watch out for each other. Once again, Tool Town on our left. Guadalajara Pharmacy on the left. To the right, Pasta Trenta Restaurant and Donuts. There's a tarp in the way. Get around it. Hospital Ajijc to my right here. And they have valet parking. Here is Machima Organic Restaurant, Vegan Restaurant to my right. Amelia's, another great place to my left. Buenos dias, señora. Okay, Axel's, Intercam Bake, fruit markets, a paint store to buy paint, chicken market, bakery with pastries and cakes, Gosha's restaurant to my left, Bruno's, the place for steaks, a print shop, place to get rotisserie chickens, fruit markets all up here. Mia's Boutique. We got fruit markets here to my left. Okay. Stroll's Bikes right here where I got this bike. I'm renting it. Okay. You can buy bikes there too. Also, Almost Cafe, the bus terminal to my left. Wow, you got it all here. And the Russian restaurant, de Russia, Con Amor. And here's the bus stop. We're in Centro, right in the heart of Centro, Ajijc. Okay, I'm gonna cut this video. I'm going down toward the plaza, have some breakfast and some coffee. Thanks for viewing. Tap on that notification bell and you'll be notified of upcoming videos. Thanks for viewing. Buenos dias.